Here's a satellite TV splitter I use on a KU band dish. It's installed outside, which is probably not the best idea. I've been using it to split the signal for satellite 103 West between my living room and my garage, but recently those channels stopped coming in, and all of the other satellites that I have fed into the living room are working fine, so I've kind of narrowed down the problem to this splitter not working. And when I tested it with a new splitter, channels all came back. So now I got to come up with a way to cover this splitter and make it a little more protected from the weather. So my solution was to raid my recycle bin and use this coffee can as a cover. So the way this works is I drilled a hole in the center of the lid and also on the bottom to let the coax cables pass through on either side, and there is a zip tie here which acts as a hinge to keep the lid attached to the can. And then I drilled a hole here and right here, and what I'll do with those is wire the coffee can shut with this wire to prevent it from opening. And I also drilled a hole here. This will be the bottom that'll allow any water to drain out that might get in there. So this won't be a waterproof solution, but it will keep most of the weather off that splitter and hopefully prevent me from having to change it again anytime soon. And quickly putting it all together. And those channels came right back.